So we're playing Grow a Garden again. Let's do it. Alright, first of all, let's check other people's garden. My friend's garden, okay? Honeysuckle. Wait, was that a rainbow bamboo? Okay, I don't care. Orange. What? You never resolved the best seed, Sam. Sam, not gonna lie. I don't know about Tom. Hello, Mr. Steven. Oh, and not flexing. Look at that. Tom, giant mango, giant, beanstalk, and then candy blossom. Wait, I forgot to sell this little apple. 1,000. Seriously? That's it? Or whatever. Where are you going, little bacon? Whatever. Oh, so cute. Wait, you got a new jumping pad? Cosmetic? Yep. My friends are cool. Oh, how does he have two stegosaurus? No, I'm actually about to cry. How is he that? Oh yes, please something beyond. Dang it! Alright, oh, I accidentally teleported to my garden. I wasn't supposed to leak that. What are those? Okay, I don't care. That's just dookie. That's a turd. Oh. Flexer, I know it. I know he's trying to flex this cacao, bro. OMG, I have coughing problems. Should I go over to my garden? I think I should. Alright guys, I'm gonna lick my garden again. Not a carrot seed, my dog is so pumped. Why just shame? Whatever, I care that for my business. I really want to steal, but I have no Robux. No Robux. Why do I stutter? I don't focus. 15 million. Not that bad. That's not real. It's not 15 million, I know it. But okay, what about the candy block? No! No! No way. No way. Okay, hey, flamingo. Flamingo. Bruh, I feel like a noob, bruh. I'm watching the beanstalk. I want to steal. What if I try to steal? No, I won't. I'm gonna go to my garden. What is it? Whose moon melon was that? Okay, whatever. Let me check that. Nothing. Just please, apple, like, be on stock. Please. At least be something good like apple or amber lily. Okay, whatever. Wait, what's on the egg shop? Pet shop anyways. Well, show me the egg shop now. Common egg. Wait, there are 2 common eggs in my garden. I forgot to hatch them. Not another carrot seed. Oh golly, sprinkler, please give me one for 120,000. Is that worth it? No. Cosmetics. So I said you have the orange. Wait, no, I mean yellow umbrella. Wait a second. Yeah. That's my orange. Bruh. That's my yellow umbrella. I need to place the cosmetic down. Like, what the hell is that moon melon? Look at that moon melon. Okay, I don't care. I need to place down my cosmetics. Bruh. They all need to add like a gear, teleport button, extra button, like that. They are so dumb. But okay, whatever. But I need to take my cost out. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm a little bit ill. Nectarine? I've never seen that. Whatever. But whose moon melon is that? But let me do some. How do I even calculate this, bro? How is it? It's only 54 million. Wow, such a waste. It's such a waste. Why do you even buy that? Okay, whatever. Wait, so if it's in that garden, then how do you reach that garden? Eh? It's not worth that my candy blossom though. It's not worth more, bro. Start burning, but okay, I don't care. Oh, it's right there, but then it's so big it'll reach. How much kilograms is it, huh? 150,000 pounds or something? Huh? What? What? It looks like two trucks stuck in the ground, bro. Seashore is oh, I've fallen and I can't get. Okay, that's fine. Oh yes, final. Oh, yeah, just that's the future. I said apple, and it gave me apple. No, Jando. I want to steal that moon melon. Oh wait, do you know how to find it? Oh there, there's my friend. Give me all these short plants. Okay, I'm gonna go AFK grinding. Why did my mouth make that sound? Oh yes, finally my comet egg. That's what you got? A dog? Earlier it was a bunny, and now it's a dog. Isn't that so amazing? No. Okay, I'm gonna grind again. Why would I just get a bonus tomato? Nah, I'm so lucky, bro. Wait, gold? Gold mango? Wait, no. No, wait, how's this? Why can't I score? Oh, shiny. I want to eat the mango. Mango. Okay. What if I just put a mango farm, bro? I will not do that. Okay. Bro, Jan only likes bananas. I shouldn't have bought those. He's gonna steal the bananas. That's racist. I always cough every time. I don't mind that. Mind a bit. Okay, so my inventory 51 million. That's it. You know what? I'll be grateful. Okay, I'm gonna end the video now. Bye. Eat that booty, haha. Alright, I have a question now. Why aren't you subscribed? Just do it.